Dear students, so today we will find that how can we find the square and square root in Excel, right? So for some of you might be easy, but some of might not know about this, that how can we find the square root and what is basically square root. So square root is basically is the reverse of the square, right? So square root, this is very easy formula. You need to find SQRT and then this number. For example, if you want to find the square root of 16, you just select 16 and then like put enter, you will find the square root, right? Okay, in case if you want to find the square, I think it's very easy, but in case if you want, there are three methods, so you might not know what are these three methods. Power formula, like self multiplication and cap. So let's try the power formula first. So I write power, right? Okay, so in this one you need to provide two arguments, like this is like you want to find the power of the 4 comma square. If you want to find the cube, you can put 3. If you want to find the 4 power, you can put the 4th power, but for now I just want to put the 2 and that's it. So I found the square. Now the second thing is very easy, just multiply with itself. It is same like if two wrestlers fight together. So I just multiply with itself. It's still 16, right? And third is the cap formula. Cap is very interesting. So select the number and then with the shift 6, or maybe in other keyboards it would be different, but with me it's a shift 6 and then with 2, same. So by this way you find the square. So this is all about today's lesson. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.